In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get authorization code on Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Today I'll walk you through a simple, clear process for retrieving the transfer authorization code from your Hostinger account. This code, sometimes called an EPP or AUth code, is what you need when moving a domain to another registrar. I'll explain what to look for on the Hostinger dashboard and give a few tips so you don't get stuck. Start by signing in to your Hostinger account and landing on the main dashboard. If you're already signed in, you should see the rectangular panels for hosting, websites, and domains. Focus on the Domains section. This is where domain management lives. From the dashboard, click on Domains. That will open a list of domain-related options. Depending on your account layout, you may see a direct link titled Domain Portfolio, or something similar that aggregates all of your registered domains. Click on that to view the full list of domains you control. Find the domain you want to transfer in your portfolio and click Manage. This opens the domain control area for that specific domain. On the Manage page, you'll find multiple tabs and settings: DNS, name servers, renewals, and so on. Look for Domain Overview or Domain Details. This is the page that summarizes everything about the selected domain. On the Domain Overview page, scan for settings related to transfers or authorization. There should be an option labeled where you can obtain the authorization code, often shown as Get Code, Send Code, or Retrieve EPP Code. Click that button. In many cases, the code will appear directly on the screen or be sent to the domain's listed administrative email address. A few helpful tips. If the option to get the code is grayed out, check whether the domain is locked. Domains are often locked to prevent unauthorized transfers. If it's locked, you'll need to unlock it in the same management area before the code can be issued. Also confirm that the domain's contact email is current because the code may be emailed to that address. That's all there is to it. You've located and requested your authorization code, and you're now ready to paste it into the new registrar's transfer form. If anything looks different in your account, Hostinger's support documentation or live chat can guide you through variations in the interface. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like if this helped you.